went there with deadly weapons, prepared to kill people who resisted the robbery. They in fact killed people in the robbery. The victim impact reports show that the crime has had far-reaching impacts on the victims and their relatives. Under Section 296(2) of the Penal Code, the offense attracts a mandatory death sentence. I have considered the accused's mitigation. Even if the death sentence were discretionary, I think the accused deserve it because they violently robbed PW2's premises and in the process killed his wife and one other person. They also shot and maimed 2 other people. The accused's blatant disregard for other people's life aggravates the circumstances. If the accused did not respect other people's life, we should not respect theirs either. For the above reasons, I hereby sentence each accused to death as per the provisions of Section 296(2) of the Penal Code. The accused have a 14 days window to appeal the conviction and sentence with effect from today.